morning all of you. Hope all are doing well. In the chapter more on large numbers, that means in first chapter, the last topic is Roman numbers. In international or in Indian system, we are using 10 digits. That means 10 symbols we are using to write numbers. What are those? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these 10 digits are 10 symbols we are using to write numbers in Indian as well as in international system. How to write the numbers, how to read the numbers, and periods, pyramids, those are all we learn in Indian as well as in international systems by using these digits. And now coming to Roman numbers. Roman peoples were used only 7 symbols to write numbers. What are those means? 1 and this X symbol, L, C, D, A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and V. One more, V. Roman peoples were used only these 7 symbols. 1 to represent 1, they used same as it is 1, what we are using. And next to represent 5, they used this symbol V. And to represent 10, X symbol they used for 50. L for 100, C for 500, D for 1000. By using these 7 digits only, they were writing numbers by using some rules. So in writing the numbers by using symbols in Roman system, we have to learn some rules of writing numbers in Roman system. What are those? First of all, the symbols we have to remember. What represents this symbol? What represents this? What represents this? So 1 means 1 only. V means 5, X means 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, M for 1000. And now what are the rules to write numbers in Roman system? The first rule. Any symbol, 7 symbols are there in Roman system, any symbol should not use more than 3 times. Maximum we have to use symbol 3 times only. The first rule is the symbols we have to use maximum 3 times only. 4th time, 5th time we should not use. 1 time we can use, 2 times we can use, 3 times we can use. That means to write 1, to write 2, same symbol we can use 2 times. To write 3, same symbol we can use 3 times. To write 4, we should not use this 1/4 time also. It is wrong. Then what we have to do? 4 means it is 5 minus 1. 4 means it is 5 means it is 4 minus 1. Sorry. 4 means it is 5 minus 1. 4 means 5 minus 1. So by using this, modifying the number as 4 as 5 minus 1, same thing we have to write here. 5 minus 1. If we return a smaller number left to the bigger number, it as understandable we have to subtract. That is the second rule. To subtract, smaller number should be left of bigger. This is second. Once again, 4 means We should not write 1 4 times. Why? Because maximum 3 times only it is available. Then the fourth time is the fourth time, no permission. 3 times only we have to use maximum. Then what? How to write the 4 means by using modification. By using modification, we can write 4 as 5 minus 1. That means from 5 we have to subtract 1. Here 5 means V, subtraction means 1, minus 1 means 1. So we can write answer like this, 5 minus 1, no. For subtraction in Roman numbers, the second rule tells us write the smaller number left side of the bigger number. It shows subtraction. 5. Left side smaller number written. So left side number is subtracted from bigger one. That means 5 minus 1. Then what about addition? To add bigger, smaller number should be right of bigger number. Means 1, 2, 3 we know how to write. 4 also just now we learned. 5 symbol only is there. And what about 6? 6 means we can write 6 as 5 plus 1 by modifying. So 5 plus 1 means we have to add 1 to 5. In Roman system we can write right of bigger number, smaller one for addition. So 5 plus 1. Right side written means smaller number. That smaller number we have to add to this bigger number. Left side written smaller number means we have to subtract that smaller number from bigger. This is third rule. And the next, fourth rule is, and see some more rules here. The fourth one, I told any symbol in 7 symbols 3 times we can repeat. So in this one, all symbols not allowed to repeat 3 times. Only 1, 10, 100, 1000. So these 4 symbols only are allowed to use maximum 3 times. No any number are allowed to use 4 times, 5 times, more than 3 times. In that one again, 3 times only these symbols. What are those? 1, 10, 100 and 1000 are allowed to use maximum 3 times. The next one more rule is 5, 50, 500. 5, 50 and 500 are allowed to use maximum 1 time. Only 1 time. So maximum 3 times we can use 1, 10, 100, 1000. Not all. So I told 3 times we can use. Yes, we can use 3 times, but not all the symbols 3 times. 1, 10, 100 and 1000 3 times maximum we can use. And remaining 3 symbols 5, 50 and 1000. 5, 50 and 500 only 1 time we have to use. That is the fourth rule tells us. Then after that, sixth rule, we can subtract 1 from 5 and 10 only. We can add or subtract 1 from 5 and 10 only. We cannot subtract 1 from 100. We cannot subtract 1 from 1000. We cannot subtract 1 from 500. We cannot subtract 1 from any other symbol. So it is allowed to subtract or add 1 to 5 and 10 only. The next rule is 10 can be add or subtract to 50 and 100 only. 10 can be add or subtract to 50 and 100 only. We cannot add 10 to other symbols. That means we cannot add 10 to 500. We cannot add 10 to 1000. Only allowed 10 to add 50 and 100 only. And the next rule is 100 can be add or subtract from 500 and 1000. 100 can be add or subtract from 500 and 1000. So these are the rules we have to remember while writing the numbers by using Roman symbols. So once again, so maximum symbols in the Roman symbols we can use 3 times. In that 3 times all symbols are allowed to use? No. Only 1, 10, 100 and 1000 are allowed to use 3 times. And remaining symbols 5, 50 and 500 allowed to use single time. 5 should not repeat, L should not repeat and D should not repeat. And these can repeat maximum 3 times, not 4th time. So these rules we have to remember. And next, to subtract smaller number, we should write the left of the bigger number. Then only subtraction is allowed. To add, we have to write the smaller number to right of the bigger number. Then only addition is allowed. And moreover, 1 we can add or subtract. 1 we can add or subtract only to 5 and 10. 1 we cannot add to 5, 50, 1 we cannot add to subtract to 1. Only 1 we can add or subtract to 5 and 10 only. Same like that. 10 we can add or subtract only to 50 and 100 as it is. 100 we can add or subtract only to 500 and 1000. So these rules and symbols we have to remember first of all, and then after that rules of Roman numbers. Writing Roman numbers we have to remember in Roman number system. Upon this, some problems will solve in exercise 1.7. In exercise 1.7, the first main is given A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That means 8 problems are given. 2 in the problem only given for model. And 3, I will tell more 3 you have to do homework. And coming to this, write the Roman numerals for the following. 2 have been done for. Write Roman numerals for the following. That means numbers are given in Indian system or international system whatsoever. The numbers are given, we have to write the numbers in Roman system. 450. 400. 100 means generally 6. How many hundreds are there? 400. So 100, 100, 100. And 50. For 50 what is the sign? L. So 450. No, we should not write like this. Why? Because the rules will not allow to write C as 4 times. So that's why what we have to do, From 500, subtract 50. It is 500. And moreover, to subtract 50, also rule not allowed. I told we, that means 5, 50 and 500 should not be subtracted. Then what we have to do? So write 500. Then subtract 100 from that one. 100 can be subtracted. Rule allowed. So that means first write 500, subtract 100 from that one. Subtraction means left side we have to write. Then how much it became? 400. Now how much more has to be to become it is 450? 50 more. So for 400 and 50, 400 and 50, 400 plus 50. Plus 50 means the right side we have to write, that is one model. And observe here also. 1200. For 1000 symbol is M and 200. 200 means 2 hundreds. So 100 it can repeat maximum 3 times. So that's why right side. Only subtraction and addition not allowed by these 3. Remaining symbols we can add and we can subtract. And now coming to this 20. In 20 how many times are there? 2 times. 10 plus 10 is 20. Next 35. 35 means 3. 5. So addition with 5 we can use. Subtraction we cannot do. Remember that. And next 410. First write 400. How in the first model I told, right? 400. 400 means CD. 100 minus 500 minus 100. 400 plus 10 plus 10 right side. So 410 and remaining FGH do homework and the remaining will continue next class. Hope you understood today's class. Any doubts you may ask the group.